right, boys and girls, welcome, welcome, welcome. Gordon Guitar, this is where I have been last couple days, I believe, or weeks, years, I don't know. Hope you found Gordon Guitar because this is the great channel where you can wish for songs and get your song on guitar. And that's what's happening right now. We have you, King Jojo, you wished for a song and we have this wish week going on, so it's the right time to wish for songs. You wished for Henry Verus called She Set the Bar Out of Reach. All right, so that's the song title, She Set the Bar Out of Reach, and we're gonna look at this song, so I hope you will enjoy this. At least you, King Jojo, many more perhaps wish for this song. I'm not sure, I believe it was mentioned a couple times here. So yeah, you and perhaps a couple others, let's go into this one. And we're gonna do it without any capo, all right? So we have a couple chords to go over, but you will have pretty much one chord progression that goes round and round the same way through the entire song, almost, all right? We'll come to that. First, the chords. We're gonna start with A minor, and that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the A minor 7. It's very easy. You just lift off the second G and get that open, and that will be the A minor 7. So everything else is the same from the A minor, just open G instead of second G. Then you will go to C, and that is very simple. Use that finger, that ring finger you had on the second G, where you lift it off for A minor 7, you place it on the 3rd fret A string, and that will be your C. Everything else is the same, so that gives us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. And then we have the C major 7. Again, very easy transition. You just lift off the 1st fret B string from the C. Everything else is the same, and that gives you the C major 7. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, open B, and open E. So far, very easy transitions here on the chords. Now into the F, it's a bar chord. You place your index finger on the 1st fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Then we have the F major 7, and I highly suggest you get for this shorter version of it, so that will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, 1st B, and open E. Why? Because the next chord has the exact same shape, just a different location. It's up here, and this is a version of the G major 7, so it will be the same grip as in the F major 7. You now start with your ring finger on the 5th fret D string, 4th G, 3rd B, and open E. And the final chord is the main G chord, standard G. So that will be 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. All right, so now I mentioned one chord progression almost through the entire song. That's the fact. Perhaps 95% of it will be this. So we're gonna learn the strumming pattern now first, and it starts with the A minor, so grab that first chord. One string around will be down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. So you have a down first, and then a short pause, and then comes down, up, down, up. Later on, we're gonna have a split after the first 2 downs. I'm gonna show you where, but the first 2 downs will be part 1, and the last up, down, up will be part 2. We'll come to that. First, let's start this chord progression with A minor, 3 full rounds. Then A minor 7, 1 round. And then comes C, 2 full rounds. And then the C major, 2 full rounds. Then we have F, 4 full rounds. And then finally we have the final 2 chords, the F major to the G major, where the split happens. So it starts with F major 7, 3 full rounds plus part 1, the first 2 downs. So 3 full rounds plus down, down. And the last part 2, you go up to the G major chord and play up, down, up. And that ends 1 round. So you're gonna go back and play A minor 3, A minor 7, 1, C2, C major 2, F4. Then you have this again, F major 7, 3 full rounds plus down, down, and then you end the strumming round with part 2 on G major, up, down, up. So yeah, I'm going to take you through 1 round slowly without speaking and then speed up a little bit to try to aim for the standard tempo. So let's go. And in standard tempo, a couple rounds goes like this. So we have that played perhaps 95% of the song, like I mentioned. But then we have a second pre-chorus, and it happens about 2 minutes and 7 seconds into the song. In the lyrics, oh, I said, and so on. So what happens there is you're gonna switch between 2 chords and alternate the G with the F, okay? And now we have a different string pattern. So we're gonna look at that first. Grab the chord G, and 1 string around will be about 6 downs. Like that. But you maybe noticed I highlighted the 4th down, and that's what you're going to do as well. So you play and chew a little bit on all the downs on the bass strings, except for the 4th down. You go down and hit the higher strings as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is 1 string around. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. All right, so that is now the strumming. You're gonna play G2, F2, G2, F2. That's it. And then you go back to the main strumming. So it will sound like this pre-chorus, and then I'm gonna go and play the main pattern again. So listen. Back to main now. So have it. Okay, so this is Verus with the song She Set the Bar Out of Reach. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. And yeah, King Jojo, thank you for being here and Growing Guitar. So spread the word about this channel and make my day, guys. Hope you enjoy it. And till next time, play tuned.